CanMixs smartwatch. CanMixs smartwatch, fitness tracker CM11 smart bracelet fitness sport watch with heart rate monitor SMS and SNS reminder, IP67 waterproof sleep monitor pedometer stopwatch smartwatch for Android iOS. New design and super definition, 1.3 HD widescreen tempered glass screen resolution, true color IPS. Offers 5 different themes to choose from, which is designed to be worn as an extension of your personal style. Multi-function smartwatch, date and 12/24 time display, sleep monitor, auto pedometer, clock alarm, information notifications, sedentary reminder, remote camera control, anti-lost alert, find phone, incoming call and SMS reminder, stopwatch, social software, message reminder, etc. Great prime gift for men, women, even kids. And it is a high-value smartwatch for Android phones. 24-hour heart rate monitor and sleep monitor. The latest built-in optical sensor can measure heart rate and sleep quality effectively. Check real-time data and diagram monitor in the dial at any time, in order to comprehend your sleep status better and adjust and improve your living conditions. Message, call notifications and long standby, with quiet vibration alert when it comes to a call or message text. You won't miss important issues while in the meeting or classing. Acts as a good app notification push. After connecting Bluetooth, the app H-band will sync Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, SMS messages. The smartwatch for Android is charged magnetically and fast, working for a long term. 3-hour charging time can provide 5 to 7 days of service life as well as 15 days of standby time. Use of smartwatches and H-band app. According to the instructions, after you turn on and connect to the Bluetooth, download and enter into the H-band app. You need download the software through scanning the QR code on the manual or download in the app market. Click to connect device, then your smartphone can connect to the watch. After clicking the button More, and click the icon Setting to enter into the setting, then you can use more functions. Fitbit Versa 2 Health and Fitness Smartwatch with Heart Rate. Fitbit Versa 2 Health and Fitness Smartwatch with heart rate, music, Alexa built-in, sleep and swim tracking, petal, copper rose, 1 size, S and L bands included. Use Amazon Alexa built-in to get quick news and information, check the weather, set timers and alarms, control your smart home devices and more, all through the sound of your voice. Third-party app may be required. Amazon Alexa not available in all countries. Based on your heart rate, timer, sleep and restlessness, Sleep Score helps you better understand your sleep quality each night. Also track your time in light, deep and REM sleep stages and get personal insights. Control your Spotify app, download Pandora stations and add Deezer playlists, plus store and play 300+ songs on your wrist. Subscription required. Pandora is us only. With a larger display and an always-on option, your information's always a quick glance away. Always on display requires more frequent charging. Track heart rate 24/7, steps, distance, calories burned, hourly activity, active minutes and floors climbed. Works around the clock with 6+ day battery life, varies with use and other factors. Get call, text, calendar, and smartphone app notifications when your phone is nearby. Plus send quick replies and voice replies on Android only. SmartWatch, fitness tracker, smartwatch for Android iOS phones, exercise data activity tracker with heart rate, sleep monitor, waterproof, 1.3 touch screen, step counter for men, home fitness sport. 24/7 heart rate monitor and sleep tracker. Or its smartwatch can auto-monitor real-time heart rate, and comprehensively analyze sleep quality, deep sleep, light sleep, and wake-up time. Control exercise intensity according to the heart rate and adjust the training plan in time. Support 12 sports modes to help you adjust your lifestyle and make you healthier. SmartWatch for Android iOS phones. This activity tracker compatible with most iOS 9.0 and Android 4.4 and higher smartphones, iPhone, Samsung, Huawei. Can check the weather, alarm clock, set timer, stopwatch, calendar on the watch. Waterproof protection and comfortable, 5 ATM waterproof certification. You can wear SmartWatch when swimming. The wristband made of TPU material, more comfortable and super lightweight when wearing, only 1.9 ounces. 1 to 2 hours to fully charge. The standby time is 40 days, 7 to 10 days normal use, perfect for indoor-outdoor exercise activities. More practical fitness tracker. Not only a fitness tracker, but it also can receive phone reminders, SMS, message, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, email and more application notifications. So that you will never miss any important notifications, setting on VeryFitPro.app and phone, keep Bluetooth connection. Large touch control screen. The 1.3-inch screen provides excellent high-definition picture quality. Easily view detailed data reports such as heart rate data and exercise data. 4 personalized main interfaces for you to choose. This smartwatch is a great gift for birthday, hiking, walking, running. Samsung Gear Sport Smartwatch Bluetooth, black, US version with warranty. Gear Sport is swim-ready and water-resistant up to 50 meters, 5 ATM. Get accurate, all-day fitness tracking, easy calorie entry, and personal coaching with Samsung Pay NFC compatibility. Easily make a payment from your wrist. Check your updates and receive and reply to calls and texts with a turn of the bezel. Wi-Fi, 802.11 B per gram, N2.4 GHz. Compatible with Android and iOS smartphones. Main display size, 1.2 inch. Swim-ready, water resistance. Don't let water hold you back. Gear Sport is water-resistant up to 50 meters. 1. So jump in the pool, run in the rain, and hop in the shower without taking it off. Track your fitness and calories. Easily track your activity with heart rate and GPS mapping. Check your calorie balance and measure your daily progress. 2. Plus, get personal coaching from your wrist during runs and workouts. Pay on the go with Samsung Pay NFC compatibility. You can make a payment from your wrist with just a tap. Receive and respond to calls, texts and more. Check your updates, review your calendar, even receive and reply to calls and texts with a turn of the bezel. No need to pull out your phone. Fossil Men's Gen 4 Explorist HR stainless steel touchscreen smartwatch with heart rate, GPS, NFC, and smartphone notifications. SmartWatches powered with Wear OS by Google work with iPhone and Android phones. Heart rate and activity tracking using Google Fit, built-in GPS for distance tracking, swim-proof design. 3 ATM, responses from Google Assistant. It's your own personal Google, always ready to help. Speed through checkout with your watch using Google Pay. This is one smartwatch. Receive smartphone notifications and app alerts, manage your calendar, control your music, download third-party apps, your favorite ride-sharing or music apps, and customize your watch face, touchscreen functionality, built-in fitness tracker, microphone, music storage and controls, custom goal and alarm settings, calendar alerts, multiple time zones, weather, LED flashlight, wireless syncing. Estimated 24-hour battery life, based on usage plus 2 additional days in low power mode, magnetic USB rapid charger included, charge up to 80% in under an hour. Compatible with Android and iOS smartphones, specifically with Android OS 6.0 Plus, excluding Go Edition, or iOS 10 Plus Classic design. Modern tech. This 45mm heart rate touchscreen smartwatch lets you track your heart rate, receive notifications, customize your dial and more. Case size, 45mm, band size, 22mm, interchangeable with all Fossil 22mm bands, easily change your watch band with quick release pins, imported. Contactless pay with your watch, never get caught without your wallet again. Use Google Pay on your watch wherever mobile payments are accepted. Last longer, extend your battery life for multiple days with new, smart battery modes. Take it swimming, wash your hands, jump into the shower, or hit the pool without fear. Your smartwatch will be safe and sound.